Hey there, this is coinmetallurgist, and I'm getting ready here to start looking through the $1,000 of dimes that I have here from the bank up in Idaho. Um, from the looks of it, these two boxes look like they're almost entirely, if not entirely, 2015 dimes. Definitely not pennies. And then these two boxes look like they are a much better mix. So this is typical of what I saw in Denver. This is much better. Hopefully I'll be able to get some silver dimes out of here. For the record, I did have one box in Denver that was almost entirely 2015 dimes, but I still did get 5 silver dimes out of that box. And then I had another one that was almost 100% 2015 dimes, and I got no silver ones out of that second box. So hopefully I'll be able to get some silver out of these boxes, and if I'm really lucky, maybe a little bit out of those. But I'll open all these up and look, and I'll let you know what the results are. Okay, I have finished going through the $1,000 in dimes. Like I mentioned before, the first two boxes were almost entirely 2015 dimes, and unsurprisingly there was nothing worth keeping in those boxes. I still did open up all the rolls, looked at all the dimes that weren't 2015 to see if there's anything worth keeping. The other two boxes had plenty of mixed dates, all different years. Great boxes for looking through for silver dimes. I feel like they were representative of what we'd be able to find up here in Idaho as far as boxes that aren't entirely 2015 dimes. In the first box, I found one 2009 dime. There you go. In the second box of mixed ones, I found 3 2009 dimes. So we found a total of 4 2009 dimes in the two boxes that I'll keep and hang on to. And now moving on to the silver. I wish. Actually, not a single silver dime in all 4 boxes of dimes. So it's $1,000 in dimes, 10,000 dimes right here, and not a single silver dime in them. So you know, it seems very unlikely to find silver dimes in rolls looking for them, and you know, it's really just kind of the luck of the draw. Sometimes you might you know, go get 10 rolls and find 5 silver dimes in it, or you'll go get 4 boxes like this and you won't find a single one. But the thing is, you know, a silver dime is only worth about $1 in silver right now. So for it to be worth your time to look through a box of silver dimes, you know, if it takes you 2 hours to look through the box of dimes, you got to think about, if I were to go to work, how much money would I make in 2 hours? And how many silver dimes would I be able to buy with that money? And is it really worth it for me to go through and look for silver dimes in the box? You know, you'd have to be finding something really rare. Even just silver dimes isn't sufficient. You'd have to be finding something really rare to make it worth your time to be looking through dimes to try to find silver. So I think from our experiment with dimes down in Denver and dimes up here in Idaho, we can conclude that, you know, it's not really worth anyone's time to go through boxes of dimes and try to find silver ones. You know, it's fun, it's a little bit entertaining, but it's really just not worth it. But you know, I enjoyed the time that I spent doing it. You know, it was a fun experiment. I hope you enjoyed the video, and continue watching. Thanks.